Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Whitehorse local and long-distance movers near me. You can hire a cheap Whitehorse moving company to handle your long-distance or local move. 3 Movers offers the help you need when you need to relocate. There are plenty of options out there, but our dependable services are better than any other option. Our team can help you move your family, your business, or anything else you need to move. We offer complete long-distance moving services for relocations of 100 miles away or further. Our services also offer packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. A relocation of 100 miles or further requires the right long-distance movers. We offer the team you need to make your move simple and less stressful. With a good Canada moving company, you get the right help for your local move. If you don't hire movers, you'll have to figure out how to move everything on your own, which can quickly become overwhelming. 3 Movers offers the right team to make your move simple. We know how to streamline the entire process to make it simple for you to get to where you need to go. Our team will save you time and energy. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Whitehorse moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.